Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered how to log data to an SD card using NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller. So we have used this NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller to log random data to an SD card. Okay, and here we have the SD card slots. You can plug your SD card here and you can log your data at certain interval required for your application. Now this ESP32 based industrial controller also supports the GSM connectivity. So I have already plugged my Airtel SIM card here. Okay, and now in this video we will see how you can make call from this NORVI GSM industrial controller, which is ESP32 based. Okay, so we are going to cover that how to make call using NORVI ESP32 based industrial controller. So what we are going to do is we are going to plug this controller with our system. Okay, so I have plugged it. Now here is an example. So make call example and I can open the Arduino file. Okay, so here is the example. Now all you have to do in this example is to change the phone number. Okay, so this is just an example. Okay, you can use this example as the base code and you can create your own application using this example. Okay, I am not showing any application. I am just showing the basic example of how to place a call using NORVI ESP32 based GSM controller. If you have any application in which if your value is reaching certain limit and if you want to make the call, then you can modify this code as per your application and then you can achieve that. Okay, now in this code you just have to change one thing, which is phone number. Okay, right now I have not provided any phone number, so even if I upload the code it won't going to make any call. Now I'm going to change my cell phone number here. Okay, and I'm going to upload this code into our board, but before that we will verify the code. Okay, so there is no error in this code. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this code into our board. And here you can see I have already placed my phone beside this controller. So we are going to receive the call here. Okay, now let us open the serial monitor. You can see send command 80, response received. Okay. Okay, SIM card status is already okay, and here you can see making call to this number. Okay, and here you can see the message GSM call test done, and here you can see we are receiving the call. It is right now in the DND mode, so that's why we are not going to see any call, but here you can see incoming call. Okay, let me remove that from DND mode. Okay, and let me unplug the controller. Let me plug it again. Okay, sending 80 command. Okay, SIM card is ready. And here you can see making call to this number, and in a moment I'm going to receive the call. Here you can see we are having a call. Okay, so this is how you can use this NORVI ESP32 based GSM controller to make a call to any cell phone number. Okay, so you can create your own application that if some value reaches this level, then call to this person. If some value reaches this level, then call to this person. Also, it does have the RTC, so based on the shift timing you can change the phone number to the shift operator. Okay, so you can also program this controller in that way. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use this NORVI ESP32 based GSM controller to make a phone call. Okay, now if you have any question or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere, and the entire code is available on the GitHub. So you can just open this link in the new tab. You can go to ESP32 based industrial controller. You can go to the make call example, and here is the entire example. Okay, so you can just copy the example, update this example as per your application, and you can directly use it. Now let's meet in the next video, and in the next video we are going to cover that how you can send SMS using NORVI ESP32 based GSM controller. So we have already covered that how you can make a call. Now we want to cover that how you can send SMS using this controller. So stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.